As these models grow old and become worn, it is inevitable that their reliability will decrease, and repairs and general reconditioning will become necessary. Unscrew the gearbox filler plug and check the level of the gearbox oil, which should be level with the bottom thread of the hole. There is oil in there, but not enough. A good funnel for the purpose, I think. Wedged in place with a couple of blocks. Carefully begin pouring. Bit by bit. That'll be enough oil in the gearbox then. Ew. I think I'm going to put some new ones in. I'll check the gaps. 0.025 inch, about 0.6 something mil. Right, that's number 4. Ew. No, a little bit of stuff in there. Yuck. A bit of moisture. I think that's it in the engine bay. I'll just start it up, see I haven't broken anything. Yeah, all seems alright. And now I'm under the car looking for a grease nipple on this joint, which I cannot see from this side at all. Should be one. Should be one there. Can you see it? No, I can't. I think I'm just going to slap some grease in there. I can do these handbrake ones though.
Mustard or grape?
Which is great.